Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to learn about nested list. Nested list. So in the previous class we learned about ordered list, unordered list and description list. Here in nested list means what? The list is added within another list. Or else we can say an unordered list is added within an ordered list. In the last class we learned how we arrange the list of items in ordered list and as well as unordered list. The items of the same category will be displayed in the ordered list. If it is of a different kind, it will be displayed in the unordered list. Okay, so ordered list uses numbers, whereas unordered list we use bullet symbol. Description list we will write some order about that particular term. In a nested list we are adding. So let us see with one example for a nested list. Here you can see the example. So I have written a code regarding list of cities in a Indian state. So we are having many states, right? In each state there are many cities are there for each and every state. So this is the basic structure of HTML. In nested list, we are covering ordered list, unordered list. Okay. Now, this is the basic structure up to here. HTML head. In title I have given nested list. Head close. In body section I have written an ordered list of cities in the Indian states. After that I have started ordered list. So I am ordered list means what? I need to give number sequence, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. In ordered list, first list what I have given? This is a list tag. List tag. Ordered list is used to give. This tag is used to give. Mention that we are going to give a ordered list. List tag is used to give this word which we are giving in will be displayed in one of the item in the list. So for Andhra Pradesh state, what are the cities included in it? That we will represent in unordered list. You can see in unordered list, you can see here Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Tirupati are the cities in Andhra Pradesh. Unordered list close. List also close. Means what? In Andhra Pradesh state, these are the cities. Whereas, again list start, this is the second list item in our web page. So, Telangana state. So, in Telangana state, after giving unordered list tag, I am giving the list of cities. What are they? Hyderabad, Khammam, Wayanad are the list of cities in the Telangana state. Unordered list closed. Okay, and also we need to close the Telangana here. This list also we need to close. So we need to close this list. Here we have closed Andhra Pradesh list, and also we need to close which list? Telangana list. Okay, I am saving here. Then after, for the state Maharashtra, what are the cities we can write in Maharashtra? You can observe here, Pune, Mumbai and Shirdi are the cities in Maharashtra state. So this is the Maharashtra list. Okay, so with the list tag we have written Maharashtra. Then after in another list we have written all the cities which list tag Mumbai, list tag close, list tag Shirdi, list tag close, and we are closing unordered list. Completely here to here we are in which list? Unordered list, right? Okay, unordered list means what? This all will be displayed in bullets. So this is the ordered list. Whenever we are giving ordered list tag, after that when we are using list tag, that will be displayed using what? Numbers 1, 2, 3. So here what will be displayed in numbers? Unordered list, list 1 and list 2, list 3. Means we can execute that program. So the output for this program will be, now let us execute that. So already I have saved with the name list.html. Okay. Now after giving this with the name list.html. So once again I am saving this list.html. Now, so already it is existed, so I am replacing this. So after saving this list.html, we will observe that list in the form of browser. Source code will be converted into what? Browser code. So I am double clicking on this. So this is the output for our program. Output for our HTML program. So list of cities in India. So this is completely a web page, right? So what is the name of the web page I have given here? You can observe. This is the name of a web page. Name of web page. Okay. So here this is what? This is a paragraph tag I have used, right? So here is what? Ordered list. So ordered list. In ordered list 1, 2, 3. It will be displayed. These are unordered list tags. So in unordered list I have used a list tag, right? For each and every city I have used list tag. So in Andhra Pradesh the list of cities are what? Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Tirupati, and for Telangana list of cities are what? Hyderabad, Khammam, Warangal, and for Maharashtra Pune, Mumbai, Shirdi. This is a example for what? Nested list. Nested list means what? The list within another list. Here this is the unordered list which we are displaying on our web page within a ordered list. So this is the ordered list element, right? So this is the ordered list term. Andhra Pradesh is ordered list term. In Andhra Pradesh ordered list term we are displaying this unordered list cities. So this is the ordered list term. So our item you can say in this these are unordered list items. So this is Maharashtra is the ordered list. These are unordered list. Means what we are doing here? We are using the unordered list items in an ordered list. We are displaying unordered list items in an ordered list. This is all about what? Nested list. Okay. So what we have covered till now in list. With this we have completed the topic of HTML lists. I hope it is very clear to you. I have forwarded a PDF to you. You can also look once the PDF. So first what we have covered? Ordered list. So ordered list is what? 1, 2, 3 like that, right? So ordered list are you can say numbered list. This will be displayed. So for unordered list, we can say this as bulleted list. So how it will be displayed? Like this. You can observe here. So these are unordered list. Definition list. Next is what? Definition list. Definition list means what? We will be explaining about it. So India. So we can write some matter about this is a definition list. And fourth one is what? Nested list. List within another list. Okay. So this is about HTML list. In the next class we will see. Thank you.